So these double standards and hypocrisy clearly should be stopped, and both the parties stand exposed.
They will reciting scriptures. I think we don't need to learn morality from Samajwadi Party.
The Vice President of Congress says the Vice President of Congress rushes through to pass ordinance over fighting corruption. What are these ordinance of any help if such candidates are fielded? So I think the larger question today is, Mr. Narasimha Rao, I'll request you to just hear me out, because when you were speaking, I did not interrupt. I think it is disturbing your conscience when I am stating the truth on Times Now. So hear me out, please.
So, Gaurav Bhatia, 1 minute. Let's also hear Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia, I'm getting Meghnad Desai and Ajay Bose.
All these corrupt.
1 minute. Meghnad Desai and Ajay Bose looking at his watch, saying, when is my turn going to come? Ajay Bose coming to you in a minute. Meghnad Desai, doesn't it here look and feel wonderful today? You even have the Samajwadi Party preaching to us. Which Samajwadi Party? Let me give one example, and Meghnad Desai, maybe you can put the Samajwadi Party in its place.
They are not tainted.
They are not tainted. I know. They only have murder charges.
Party has been fighting corruption. Corruption that was introduced by Mayawati.
I'm sure.
Please, don't make Samajwadi Party look like a party that has not fought corruption.
Gaurav Bhatia, 1 minute.
Fighting corruption, and even right now we have.
Gaurav Bhatia, have patience.
Registered FIRs against the
have some patience. Have some patience. There is a man called Atiq Ahmed, Meghnad Desai. A man called Atiq Ahmed. This man, Meghnad Desai, has 43 criminal cases against him. He is the party choice for the Shravasti Lok Sabha seat. He's from the Samajwadi Party. He was asked 3 months back about a likely contest. 1 minute, please. Listen to me. Don't be embarrassed. He was asked, what do you think about fighting Varun Gandhi? I think Varun Gandhi is about 36 years old. You know what he said? He said, I have more criminal cases against myself than Varun Gandhi. He says, I have more criminal cases than his age. There you see, Samajwadi Party has nothing to say. Lord Desai.
Where did you get that statement from, Arnab?
It's a quote from the newspapers. Thank you.
The thing to say, there is nothing to choose among the political parties about corruption. But the problem is, instead of having a code of ethics, every party waits till conviction before it admits that their people are corrupt. Now, everybody misuses government office. The public are cheated, but everybody says, oh, but we can't sack somebody until a court proves that they're guilty. And because the courts take a long time to decide anything, everybody is scot-free. So they're all corrupt and they all blame each other, but the public suffers because there's no code of ethics. Sonia Gandhi had said about 5 years ago that they're going to uphold moral standards.
No, Sonia Gandhi has forgotten all that now.
There is no fight against corruption.
No, Sonia Gandhi has clearly forgotten all that now.
Everybody waits till conviction.
Sonia Gandhi has forgotten all that now.
I think the public ought to blacklist everybody against whom there is some charge, and they ought to vote against them.
No, I have a question for Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
The public has to decide who is corrupt, who is not corrupt.
Abhishek Manu Singhvi, is it true that Pratibha Singh is Veerbhadra Singh's wife? And she got a ticket from Himachal Pradesh?
Part of your question, Arnab.
No, the question is very simple. She got a ticket from Himachal Pradesh. Yes. You know the case better than me, I know that.
Yes.
Yeah, she holds shares in a company owned by a person her husband's government does business with. Is it true? Is it true that the same person whose company does business with her, whose company does business
the problem
let me complete. Is it true that the person who her husband's government does business with gives a loan in her account? Does that amount to a favor? Well over 1 crore of rupees? Was this mentioned in the election affidavit that Veerbhadra Singh submitted in Shimla in October 2012? Is this a violation of the Representation of People's Act? Is this misleading the Election Commission? How can you take money from somebody even as a basic issue of propriety, if not legality? How can you take money from a company which is engaged in some form of official communication with your husband's government, and then you get a ticket? Tell me, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, even this does not matter. What's going on in the Congress?
When your long question ends...
No, I'm just stating the facts.
When your long question ends, I'll tell you.
Arnab, you have given 2 examples.
Yes.
Veerbhadra Singh, his
3.
wife is 1 example.
3.
Pawan Bansal is the other. Again, give me only 60 seconds, please, without interrupting.
Subodh Kansai, you missed Subodh Kansai.
Both examples are. Let's add 3 examples.
Yeah.
I'm very grateful.
All issues of
3
propriety.
names, all 3 without FIR. Please, 60 seconds, remember, Arnab. Without FIR, without charge sheet and charges. Forget conviction. Lord Meghna Desai is talking of conviction. Forget charge sheets, forget charges. Not an accused in a single criminal case, all these 3 names. Point number 1. Point number 2. If somebody is going to
Such
mix
a
up these
U-turn you are
names
doing
who are
today.
not accused with Yedurappa, who has been Lokayuk's 2 reports, arrested, and criminal case going on against him well beyond charge sheet, then I think we have lost all sense of balance.
No, I think the
Third.
Congress party
Third.
has lost all sense of balance.
If you are going to be,
I think
if you are going to be, one sec,
pursued against
let me answer.
No,
What is the point of rushing through anti-corruption ordinances?
I am answering those 3 questions.
You cannot
None of
look
these
like as if there was no case pending against them.
can be excluded.
So
There
that
was
this
any
fight
basic
against
evidence.
corruption,
All of them
none
should
of
have
these
been
3
charged
can be
with.
So if that is the case, why do you need to fight? Why does a candidate need to fight an election? Don't make a candidate fight an election. Make their lawyers fight elections. Let the lawyers go and make speeches. Let the lawyers argue technically. I asked you a question
in these
today.
3 cases,
Ajay Bose, watch it. I put this to the court of Ajay Bose, who is a much more senior journalist than me. My question is this: you have a minister who writes a letter to the Prime Minister saying, "Mr. Prime Minister, give this company a coal block." He doesn't say that my brother is the director in that company. One. You have a chief minister's wife. Don't go. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, don't go. You have to stay.
always be
Ajay
this
Bose,
criteria.
don't go, Ajay.
This
Abhishek.
criteria of FIR.
Yeah.
Already cut off.
Continue, Ajay
Hello.
Bose. I'm only going to request Abhishek Manu Singhvi not to leave the panel. He needs to listen.
आधे घंटे में
Ajay Bose, can you hear me?
वो cut off कर लिया.
Ajay Bose, okay, we lose the line. That's completely inadvertent. Ajay Bose, we are losing the line. We are going to reconnect you back, and I don't know why Abhishek Manu Singhvi is leaving. Ajay Bose, can you hear me? No, I don't think he can. Yes, go ahead to the BJP. I just don't understand why the Congress spokesperson has left. Ajay Bose, please, we'll show the empty chair. Abhishek Manu Singhvi just left. Yes. Ajay Bose, you're back. Continue. The Congress spokesperson abruptly left.
Or no, very quickly. No, very quickly, let me tell you that this Abhishek Singhvi will always bring up this thing, no FIR. But tell me something, a party like the Congress or for the BJP or for any party for that matter, isn't there a moral, ethical position on choosing a candidate?
Clearly not.
I personally feel that whether... You obviously, they will always go that is there a technical reason why he could not contest the seat? If you take that sort of thing, obviously there will be no bar. But what is the moral position of the party? Mr. Bansal, for instance, his nephew uses Mr. Bansal's clout. Without Mr. Bansal, that nephew is nothing. I don't
And the
understand
Congress said we
how
don't know.
can Mr. Bansal be absolved of the guilt?
Arnab,
But
It doesn't make any sense at all.
No, I thought...
How can the nephew operate from within the Railways Ministry?
Arnab,
Precisely, they
So,
can...
there is no logic to it.
No, one second. Meghnad Desai, I'm going back to London. 1 second. Meghnad Desai, that empty chair is the chair of Abhishek Manu Singhvi, abruptly left the program. I had only made a point that you cannot argue like lawyers. There is a question of propriety and credibility which comes in there. Meghnad Desai, this give a damn attitude is what is causing great concern. And opening up to phone lines in a minute to all Newshour viewers.
Morality and ethics have been abandoned and legality has taken its place. Everybody says until you actually get an FIR or a conviction, everybody's clean. Now, morality matters, ethics matter. And what India needs is a standard code of public ethics, and all parties ought to abide by it and not make excuses.
Okay, we're going to take the first caller right now.
Arnab, I would just like to make a quick point.
Gaurav Bhatia, you don't have much to speak about. I mean, I don't know why you are going on the offensive today. You have 11 candidates with a criminal history.
Point if you allow me to.
No, you have 11 candidates. You have 11
And
not being named in the FIR and the charge sheet.
No, 11 candidates.
Let me make my point. Mr. Singhvi was talking about Mr. Pawan Bansal not being named in the FIR. The only thing that I want to say is that Congress is the best manipulator of the investigating agency. So, you know, whether it is filing of the charge sheet or registration of FIR, the Congress knows how to manipulate to save their big leaders.
There is a man
Secondly, what the BJP and the Congress are forgetting is that there is a ruling of the Supreme Court now that all corruption cases against political leaders have to be completed in 1 year's time.
Okay, now one question. Now Gaurav Bhatia, I've listened to you. Now you listen to me, Gaurav Bhatia. No, now you listen to me. Gaurav, 1 minute. Gaurav, 1 minute.
Samajwadi leadership.
Gaurav, my question to you is, 1 minute, GVL Narasimha Rao, is murdering someone or raping someone or kidnapping someone, okay, is it much lesser than an act of corruption? Why are you quiet? Why are you quiet?
I think both are
okay,
crimes and they are of serious nature. I am not quiet. I am answering your question.
Okay, so my question to you, it's a rhetorical question. Even if you don't answer, I'll know where you stand on it. All your people, Mitra Sen Yadav, Atiq Ahmed, Arun Kumar Shukla, Nagendra Bhatti, Premdas Katheria, Chandrapal Singh Yadav, this whole list of musclemen and alleged murderers, right? One of them has 35 criminal cases, including murder, expelled by the BSP. Mitra Sen Yadav, 19 criminal cases, 7 charges of attempt to murder. He was been sentenced to life for a double murder in the past of 2 brothers. Granted a governor's pardon.
I would only say this, since
I know what you'll say.
I have been also putting forward a stand that there is a need to have
don't hide behind changing the system. Our first caller tonight.
To lead from the front. But I may just say so.
You have all betrayed the voters of India, and now you have
at least the Samajwadi Party is cleaning its floor. You have all tickets in the Samajwadi Party because of their criminal background.
You have all betrayed the people of this country, Gaurav Bhatia, by putting up people with criminal backgrounds such as the ones you have put up right now, by putting up corrupt people.
He is this guy.
You didn't hear what I said.
The Congress on morality.
No, Ajay, yes, Ajay.
I mean, what I'm trying to say is when political parties act holier than thou.
But at the same time, I feel
let us be frank about this.
Voice my opinion.
Let us be frank about this.
Political parties are very aggrieved because they know about the mess that they have created.
No political party
BJP,
can
which
point a
talks
finger
about giving
at the
a
other.
prime minister to the country, is probably the most corrupt party in the country.
All tainted.
Their own state, Gujarat, where Mr. Narendra Modi is the chief minister, does not have a Lok Ayuk for the last 8 years. Can you answer that, Mr. Narasimha Rao?
The worst kind of allegations. I think
no, he's not.
He has been kinds of cases.
Let me tell you, not even an FIR was registered in that case. If you don't have your facts right, then better read the newspapers and follow the latest current affairs. You are not aware, Mr. Narasimha Rao, that I pity your ignorance that you don't even read the newspapers.
Blackmailed.
Read the
for
newspapers.
Allegations of corruption.
Not even an FIR has not been registered in that case.
No right.
So you are arguing what's the difference? So what's the difference between you? Meghnad Desai, 1 minute. Meghnad Desai.
You stand exposed.
Meghnad Desai, there is no difference.
There was no Lok Ayuk.
There is no difference.
No morality left.
There is no lecture. Nobody needs to give us a lecture on morality. In fact, I am telling you today, I won't be surprised if the Congress party dares the people of India and gives Suresh Kalmadi a ticket. If they say tomorrow we will give Ashok Chavan a ticket, go ahead and give these people a ticket and let the people of India then answer these political parties on what they think of people like Yediyurappa, Chavan, Kalmadi, or for that Pawan Kumar Bansal. Meghnad Desai, going to you, then our first caller will come in from Bangalore. Yes, Meghnad Desai.
Yeah, I think civil society should publish a blacklist of every candidate who has some charge against him or who is suspected of having been corrupt. Conviction or no conviction.
Agreed. Our first,
only way these
our
guys
first
will be
caller,
defeated.
Raghunath from Bangalore. Raghunath.
Be defeated.
Raghunath, good evening. Arnab here. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Arnab. Good
Hi,
evening.
Raghunath. Do you have a point to make or a question to ask?
Yeah, I have just basically two quick points. You know, all these guys talk about technicalities, you know. All these politicians are automated money-making machines devoid of any human values. You know, where in private life, I mean, any private sector, can you have any whiff of controversy or scam and have a career? And the private sector is just there to make money, whereas these politicians deal with 1.2 billion lives.
Yeah.
So are there no ethics left in politics?
Zero ethics.
And,
winnability, Raghunath, winnability. Unless the people of this country stand up and give a fitting reply to these politicians.
How does one stand up?
Well, I don't know. Prasenjit, how does one stand up? A question asked them.
Defeat these candidates. Defeat these candidates.
Defeat these candidates.
Defeat the candidate. Absolutely right.
Defeat.
Only the public can give the answer.
Moin Sait is also calling in from Bangalore. He's an advocate. Once again, Moin Sait. He's a lawyer from Bangalore. Moin.